Hi and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Linen House B2B site. Now before you can continue, you will need to contact Linen House on the details appearing on your screen now, and we will give you a username and password and you'll be able to access the system. So once you've got the username and password from us, you can go to any web browser, key in b2b.linenhouse.com.au. You'll be taken to the login page. Key in your username and password and log in. Now once you've logged in, you'll see you'll have access to all of our products and information, and you can go ahead and start ordering. Now the only difference between our B2B site and a retail online store is that when you're checking out with an online retail store, you generally put in your credit card details or a PayPal account and you pay for the goods upon checkout. With the Linen House business-to-business portal, when you add items to your shopping cart and you check out, the cost of the goods actually go to your account with us under whatever payment terms that you've set up with us from the start. So before we go off and order some stock, I just want to have a chat a little bit about some of the information on our page. First of all, up the top right hand corner here, it says that it'll tell you your name that's logged in as. Obviously you can log out straight from there. It'll tell you where the goods are going to be shipped. Now a lot of you will probably only have one ship to location to send the goods to, but in other scenarios one user may have access to ship to more than one store location. If that is the case, obviously you'll need to communicate that to our team and they will grant you access to be able to ship to more than one location. Assuming you are one of the people that has more than one ship to location, you can click on change customer, link customers here and type in the name of the other ship to location, and that would show that. Now this is just for demonstration purposes, so in my case I'm just sending it to Snooze in Aspley. We also have some user preferences as well, where you can change your username and password and edit any of your basic details. We also have a help section. We also track the items that have been browsed from your session. We also have the functionality to record saved orders and a functionality to list orders that you've made through us as well. And I'll touch a little bit more about saved orders later. We also have a search field here where you can search for products and information straight from that bar there. Now at any stage you can go back and click on the top left hand side, the Linen House logo, and that'll take you back to the start. In terms of how the products are categorized, the left hand panel here is our product panel, and for those of you who are familiar with our Linen House price list, the product groupings are exactly the same as found in that PDF document that gets sent to you. So up the top level is Linen House, the label goes down to categories, bed, bedding, bath, cushions, and then from down there the next level down is obviously the price list grouping, yarn dyeds, embroideries, prints and so on. You can either click on yarn dyed through this section on the left hand panel, or we have an icon representing it in the center here. So if I click on yarn dyed, it lists all the products that are in that yarn dyed group, and there may or may not be more than one page. In this case there's 2 pages. The default sort is the newest products appear first, but you can also sort via item code, by style code and by description. Some of the information obviously we have present here. So for the Linen House Marquee Brights, we have the size and type. We only have a queen bed left and a Euro pillowcase. We have some information here as far as what the item code is, the design, marquee, fabrication, the label of the product, the subdivision, and whether and we also present to you the sell quantity ratio. It's pretty straightforward. Obviously if you want to order this product, you can either key in your quantity here and click add. mind you, we also tell you obviously what the price is, and the pricing here is specific to the pricing class that your account is set up with Linen House. So we've just added a product into our shopping cart. We can see that here. We can view our shopping cart. We can also modify and update if we choose to. We can remove that particular item. We can empty the cart altogether, or here we can save the order so that we can come back later and ship, or if it's an order that we seem to be placing all the time, rather than going in and re-choosing all the products again, you can save the order and then ship out when required. Now, one of the other benefits that we've added to this solution is when customers are ordering products like the 300 thread sheet sets, generally speaking, there can be quite a few different sizes and different colors that go with. So in order to make life a little bit easier with that, or ordering these products, we can click on the grid view, and you can see what it does here. It actually puts all of the sizes and all the colors into a grid, which allows you then to be able to order one of each of the singles and one of each, or 3 of each. It's totally up to you. Just makes capturing different sizes with different colors a lot easier. So if I just hit place order to that, you can see now that my cart has gone to 13 products. And if I drill down here, we can see that I've bought some 300 thread whites, some creams, some blues, just as I had keyed them into the grid view. So if I'm happy with that, obviously the next thing to do is just, if we're happy with the products, I can click next. This will bring me to the shipping address field, which is automatically propagated for you. You just click next again. This way we can see the confirmation. If you want to put any new PO numbers for your system or add any comments, you can do so at this stage. Click on next again, which will take you to our payment section. Of course, the only payment you can do is on account. And once you hit place order, it will just take a few moments, and it should come back with a Linen House order number, which you can communicate to customer service if you need. But as far as the order is concerned, that has gone to customer service and will be shipped as soon as possible. So in a nutshell, that's how our Linen House B2B site works. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team. Thank you.